KHNAM Henyo Trap National Awakening Movement KHNAM kapuntip bakala pynkhreh ka kynhun ka khlain bha ban mi iakhun ha kanik election shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC kabanlong ha uni usnam ubanwan nila pynkhreh ka kynhun ka khlain bha kabadan ka wei ka rukam perkhan bat ka wei ka thong ban puntikna banadu usnam banwan ngin sayo iya ka district council ka bakhambha ha KHADC khnang bangin la ban bat penne ek jingmut jong ka 6th schedule ong u working president ka KHNAM uba Thomas Pasa kumba long munta kalong ka basngu si shibun banyo I baka district council kata la kalong ki EC ne ki MDC kimsham la ban trekam katkum ka thong jong ka 6th schedule na kalyang ka jongi ngidang pynkhreh bha ya kaplan halor kani ula benram uba pasa udai na pedeng ki prangot ki kertong balapun bena banyakhun ha kani ki election MDC kabanwan na ka KHNAM na Jaya constituency uni unongelam ka KHNAM ula ongru baka SEC menta kadang pynkhreh bat bishari ki kertong bat shen kan sapun bena ya kathop ka ba arjung ki kertong kiban mi iakhun ha kani ki election MDC kabanwan da kabapun pau baka KHNAM kadang wat ya ka kynhun ka babiang bha uba pasa ula ong ngiladap ban kentat ya ar hadu laingot ha ka kela ka baningkong ha ka kela ka baar ki kertong ki balapan tiket ladangim yo I ya kata ka jinglong ka jingthmu bat ka mensiam ban trekat kum ka jingthmu jong ka party bat ka ban pentikna bangin manra ka jingkela ha ka district council kitu ki kertong ru kinsha kentat no habakeli uba Thomas ulaong ladadon ki kertong ki babiang kalong ka batikna baka party kan penyeng habaro arkundait liki constituency hapo rilum Khasi shu uni unongelam ka KHNAM upentip ru basyan ka seng kan sawan haringkat ki matrekam jongka ki bala beteng ban penpa batiet ya ka jingkhang jong ka district council mentala bun snam.
From the KHNAM side, we have been preparing for the upcoming MDC election for quite some time now. We have notified the first list, which include candidates from 6 constituencies. And we are waiting for the recommendation of the State Election Committee on the second list. And we have the only objective that KHNAM has now. We are preparing a team. We are preparing a very strong team which has one ideology, one goal, with the objective to ensure that for the next year onward, we will see a better district council in KHDC, so that we will uphold the spirit of the 6th schedule, we will uphold the objective when district council was formed by our late leaders in the state. As of now, it is very sad to see that the district council election committees, be it ECs or various MDC, have not been able to live up to the objective of the 6th schedule. So from our side, we are preparing a very detailed plan on this, and till now we have already finalized a team of 8 candidates, and we hope that after finalizing the rest, we will have a team. But we want to make it very clear. From KHNAM, we are looking for a quality team, not for a quantity team. And maybe we have already rejected 2 or 3 candidates in the first phase. And in the second phase, if the candidates who have applied, we don't see in them the quality, the intention, the spirit to work with the ideology of the party to ensure there we make differences in this council, maybe those candidates also will be rejected. Therefore, our route to the district council is quality, not quantity. From the KHNAM side, if we get all 29 quality candidates, we will be fielding 29 candidates. But if we don't get, we will go for quantity, and we will have to let go of quantity. We have to hold on to the quality of the candidate. And I think the list, second list, will be out soon, because it all depends on the State Election Committee, because they have a long process of screening the candidates. You'll have to attend 2 or 3 interviews, and there is a ground verification of candidates also. So it might take some time, but from the party side, we have given a free hand to the state election committee. It's better to be late for 1 month than to fail for 5 years. From the KHNAM side, we will be preparing a manifesto, no doubt, but our manifesto will be in line with what the KHNAM has been saying, have been knocking on district council for quite many years now. There are no difference. We have been knocking at the district council door since 2014, urging them to amend the AD Rule 128, wherein we specify who has the right to vote at district council, which is still now nobody's doing. So this will be one of our agenda. Number two, we have already spoken, insisted, demanded the KHADC in the past, be it AC of the Congress or the NPP. We have insisted that the trading by non-tribal regulation 1945 has to be implemented to protect the trading by non-tribal, to protect the trade of the indigenous tribe, not to generate revenue. So this is also one of the agenda that we have. Number three is that we have demanded from the state government, written a letter to the central government, have insisted the district council to relook at the presidential order 1950, which is still pending. So this is also one of the agenda that we are carrying forward in this MDC election. And there are a few other agenda issues that the KHNAM has already prepared, and we will be launching them in the proper program when we launch the manifesto of the party. The district council or sixth schedule is one of the very strong element now in the tribal area, especially in the Khasi Jaintia hills, to protect the right of the indigenous tribe. And now, if some party are against the district council and they are participating in the district council, I think intellectual people, we will definitely take a judgment on such stance. From our side, we want to make it clear that we cannot let go of the sixth schedule. We need the district council. No doubt, there has been failure of functioning of the district, but this is because of the parties. It is because of the MDCs that have been elected for so long now. To really see the power of the sixth schedule, the effectiveness of the district council, we need a party like KHNAM to get an opportunity to be in the ruling, so that we can change many things. So that's why from our side, we make it very clear that the district council is very, very important, and we do not have the leisure to say that we do away with the district councils. Stating that any ruling that comes into the KHADC, they cannot do away with the party that rules in the state. It only points out they don't understand the meaning of autonomous. That clears at that. I think we all have to get it very clear. The district council is an autonomous body. The state government cannot interfere in the matters and business of the KHADC. Few months back, the national president of the NPP, our chief minister, has stated that he cannot interfere in the district council matters. When this was said, when the Garo community wanted recognition as headman in the jurisdiction of the Himalayan, and I think if the national president makes one stand and the other party members make another stand, it shows a division of understanding between them only on matters relating to the district council. That the Congress now will pull out of the ruling EC in the KHADC points out at one thing. The Congress thinks that the public are stupid. And I know the public are not stupid. This is all a political drama. And after they win again, they'll again work with the NPP only.